place will all be blown away.
What's up, guys? Tonight we're gonna draw McCraken, second form. I'm sure you all are familiar with the final boss of Yokai Watch, the video game. How many times have you wanted me to see me draw a final boss? Well, basically, I've drawn the final bosses like multiple times actually. Well, I'm not sure if I remember, but I do remember I drew Dawnspiracy. I drew Dame Dead Time. I drew quite a lot actually, including Megatron. Remember last year? Anyhow, mckraken is a final boss that, well, mckraken obtained this form when absorbed the aura that pervaded the living realm, and he can control the elements and cause mighty cataclysms. Yeah, he can control them. But in the condition that he's in right now, it's enough to I mean, he's literally a walking head with arms. His ultimate move is Paw Squiddle End. And, well, he's actually pretty powerful when it comes to that form. But I know how to take him down. I fought against him like a few times, actually. Drawing mckraken is actually kind of easy. Here are the stripes. Here's a trinket to taking down mckraken. You need to aim for the tentacles on his nose, then to go through the barrier underneath his jaws, and aim for the spots on his second mouth.
When you first came into my life, I recall the place that I knew as a child, a special place, one that I held close to my heart. Won't you lead me in a dance down this winding road, where light and shadow entwine to take hold of the thoughts of the one left far behind? Know that sometimes I want to turn around and see the things that I've passed on this journey, but know with love on my side, with courage and pride, I'll fight and we'll carry on.
Oh yeah, I never got to mention all of his squid-related puns. I thought they were fine. We're almost there.
I'll always feel the same towards you, no matter if you're tired or feeling blue. But will you really be okay when every day you push yourself all the way? As for me, I saw you laughing out by the sea, but the person making you laugh wasn't me. Oh, tell me now if the one that you love isn't me. But there's more, much more I wanted to ask you all about, but my words just won't come out. And then when I work up the nerve, I still feel unsure, and my words fade in the air. Bit by bit I'm falling under your charm. I'll do my best to keep you far away from harm. Can you hear me calling out that my feelings for you are strong and true? Even when it seems that I feel nothing, you're the only reason that my heart's still beating. Let's
go. There's the mark underneath his chest. Now we draw the baboon-shaped arms.
Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll toss the valor you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future that's just beyond the door. Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a damn, damn, damn. We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam. Burst from all the scene, let's get sparking. First we're getting pumped, then we clash. Wheeling in the
Go.
then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for
Now we draw the tentacles.
through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the cross when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Now we let the thrills fill the room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom. After that you'll understand this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry, just a bit, but we'll keep on going for burning brightly to the core. Always energized for the goal. Legends never die, so we won't.
There's the tentacle.
Ready to achieve that amazing victory. First we're getting pumped, then we clash, winning in the rap, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the cross when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Me and you won't give in to the bad times, changed again. Forced to do it all without you, I'll survive. I learned from you what I should do is keep the good in mind. Gotta keep my wish inside and believe it too. I hope it ain't too much, it's to stay with you, sure enough.
I believe it don't need a reason. All my doubts we take. I would listen to time to break it off and let it go.
No matter what, gotta keep your head up. It's yours and mine to decide. Now it's time to go. We can make it.
Do the tentacles.
Stop this. There's a future in our hands. Don't care what is coming fast. You're my family, and I'll never change our dream. We are down by law till the stars are gone. Any battle in the way will defeat our slay. We are down by law every time.
And there he is. Finished. That is how you draw McCraken. Second form. Wow, he looks just like in the 3 video games. Oh yeah, one more thing. When the health meter is at half level, then he automatically changes color. That's kind of an interesting feature. Remind me that one of these days I'll be drawing him in the distant, that I'll be drawing his first form, because that's how he started out. If you have any special interest in... Oh shoot, forgot to draw the tentacles here. The patterns here. There. If you want to find out more on how to draw a boss-related yokai, leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. Because I'm always drawing out the best quality stuff and the best bosses this world has to offer. It's especially other gods. Even though this one was filling in for Lord Enma. Anyhow, if you guys want to find out more, and I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode, please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. If you want to find out more, then please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I said like and rock and subscribe. Let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. It's Stegosaurus. See you later. I'm dedicating this to everyone in New York City. Please subscribe to my channel. Please. And I'm serious. I love New York.